Next topic in this chapter 7. So another theorem. Next topic is inequalities in a triangle. Okay. So in this part some theorems are there. The theorem is what? 7.6. If two sides of a triangle are unequal, okay, unequal means one is obviously shorter side, another is larger side, okay. The angle opposite to the larger side is larger. That means which side is longer, the opposite angle of that longer side will be greater angle. See, if this is a triangle, okay, this is a triangle. Which side is longer? This side is larger side, okay. So opposite of this side angle is which one? This angle is opposite angle of this greater side. That means according to this theorem, this angle is greater, okay. This angle is greater according to the theorem. Clear? Next theorem is in any triangle the side opposite to the larger angle is larger. Just कन्वर्स ऑफ द प्रीवियस थ्योरम, मतलब कोई भी एक ट्रायंगल में जो सबसे बड़ा एंगल है उसका जो अपोजिट साइड होगा दैट साइड विल बी ग्रेटर साइड. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट थ्योरम इज द सम ऑफ एनी टू साइड्स ऑफ ए triangle is greater than the third side. Sum of any two sides. It may be any two sides. So according to this theorem, say if it is ABC, then according to the theorem AB plus BC is greater than AC. Okay? Or BC plus AC is greater than BA. So like that, if you add any two sides of a triangle, then that two sides will be greater than the third side. So these three theorems you have to apply in this part. How can you apply it? Some logic you have to apply here. There is no proper calculation. You have to use the logic. Okay? See this one. D is a point on the side BC. D is a point on side, which side? BC. Of triangle ABC. Such that the condition is given AD equal to AC. मतलब ये दो side equal है. Show that. What you have to show? AB is greater than AD. मतलब ये जो AB side है, this one is greater side of AD. This one you have to show. So, which triangle you have to take? DAC. Because the condition is given from this triangle AD and AC. Clear? So, you have to take this to this triangle. So, in triangle DAC, what is given? AD equal to AC. This is given in the question. So, obviously from the theorem, what you can say? The opposite angle. AD, the opposite angle is which one? Opposite angle is AD is greater. So, AD, the opposite angle is ACD. Clear? AC, the opposite angle is ADC. So, these two angles also equal. Angle opposite to equal sides. Clear? Now see, angle ADC is an exterior angle. This angle is the exterior ADC, sorry, this angle. ADC is the exterior angle of which triangle? Triangle ABD. Clear? So obviously angle ADC is greater than angle ABD. Why? Because the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior angle. ये दो एंगल इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. So obviously एक angle, a single एक angle is less than. So obviously this angle is greater than this angle. Okay. So angle ACD also is greater than angle ABD because ACD equal to ADC. So in place of ADC you can write ACD. Okay. So ACB is greater than ABC. ABC, clear? So what you find? ACB, this angle ACB is greater angle than ABC. So the opposite side of this angle is which one? This AB side. So AB is greater than, opposite side is AC greater than AC. From where? Side opposite to larger angle of triangle ABC. So obviously AB greater than AD. Why? Because it is given AD equal to AC. So like that, these logics you have to apply in the sums. Okay. Now see this question. Show that in a right triangle, the hypotenuse is longest side. This one you know, but how you have to prove? Hypotenuse is the longest side. सबसे बड़ा side है in a right angle triangle. Okay. So ABC is a right angle triangle where P equal to 90 degree. Clear? So from ABC, since it is a right angle triangle, so angle A plus angle C equal to 90 degree. The sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. Clear? So angle B equal to angle A plus angle C. दोनों का measurement same है. So if B is equal to sum of these two angles, then B obviously greater than one of the angle. So B is greater than A. Clear? So if B is greater than also C also. Okay. So B opposite side is which one? AC. So AC is greater than opposite side is BC. Okay. So obviously AC is greater than AB. So which one is larger? AC is the larger side from this one and this one also. So since AC is the hypotenuse, so hypotenuse is the longest side of a right angle triangle. Clear? So like that, you have to apply the logics in every sums. Okay?